we'll see with the very basic of how to create a database in MySQL, and then how to show the databases that you have created, and how to select the database, and then you can how you can drop the database. So we are going to see this. Once you open your MySQL workbench, here you can connect to your local instance. What is schemas? Here schema is nothing but it's a databases. So these are all the databases which I have in my SQL workbench. You might have only one workbench, that is systems by default. So if you open it, in the databases or in the schema, you have by default tables, views, store procedures and functions. We are going to see in details about all these things. First we'll start with the tables, and then we'll see about the views, store procedures, also called as SPs, and functions in our upcoming sessions. But now in this session, we'll see about how to create a new database and how to select that database, how to drop that database, and show all these databases. So this symbol is used to create a new schema. You can see it is a symbol of database. So you just click on this. So once you click on this, you will it will ask you for the new schema name. So let me write a new schema name as an employee. Then you just click on apply. So you can just click on apply, and that's it. So you click on finish. On the left side here you got your schema, that is your database. So if you open your database, and you can see you have tables, views, store procedures and functions, but you do not have anything in these tables because we haven't uploaded any of the table, or we haven't created any of the table. So this is how simple it was to create a schema using a create schema option here. So this was the simplest method. By using a UI, we have created a schema or a database. Now let me create a different database by using a SQL query. So I'll be using a SQL query. For here you can click on this SQL query option here. So you click on this, a new tab will be opened. Now here you can write your SQL query. For example, I want to create a database. It is so simple. It is like a simple English, like how we call, like to create a database, we say create database. That's it. Similarly, we can say create database. You can give it in a lowercase or a uppercase, no worries, and then give a database name. So I'll give create database. I want a database name as employee. So you select this and you can execute this by clicking on this, or you can use F5 also. So once it is executed, now you can see that the apply changes to employee. Sorry, this was the first query, and the second query at this time, create database employee. So one row as affected now, but you cannot see the database here. So let us click on this small refresh here and wait for a few seconds. So once you click on refresh, immediately you can see your new database that is created, called as an employee. So these are the two ways how you can create a database, by this UI and by using a SQL query. Let me create one more database. For example, create, you can take lowercase, uppercase, both will work. Let me take a different different name, like college. Now let me run this second statement. So you select this and execute this. It has executed. Now you can see create database college has been done, but here you cannot see that in your databases. So just refresh it, and now you can see your database name, that is college. So this was the very simplest video, like how to create a database. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.